All right, some of you have asked me how I got these yellow LEDs lights installed. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link of where I purchased it from on eBay, and I'm gonna show you how I changed these out. Okay, so to gain access to the fog lights, you're gonna have to remove this screw here, these plastic tabs that are in here, that screw right there, and that's all really you need to loosen up in order to pop this fender out and reach your hand in there and change the bulb out. And that peacock is pretty loud. Don't want to lose these. Very carefully so you're not breaking them. Okay. All right. So all I did was loosen this fender up right here. You can kind of pop this out, and your hand should be able to reach in there, and the light bulb is right there. So you're gonna reach in, twist that off, disconnect it of course, and pull it out. I'll show you how to do that. Twist that off right there. Here's that bulb, okay? You can go ahead and disconnect it. This is how it's gonna come brand new in the box. So you're just gonna connect, remove the old one. You're gonna take the new one, and you're just gonna plug it in to that same connection right in here. All right. All right. There's your connection right there. Plug and play. There's the new one. And you're just gonna put it right back in its socket. And there it is, back in place. All right, once you're done, just go ahead and put everything back just the way you found it. And that's it. All right, so that's pretty much it for the install. It's pretty easy. Like I said, it's a plug and play. I'm not sure if they have different colors that you can put, but I went with yellow. That was just preference of mine. So if you still can't figure it out, if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll try to respond best I can. But I hope this video was helpful for those that were asking me about how to install these fog lights. Also, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. It helps us tremendously as a family and also provide more content for you. And go ahead and hit that like button as well. It helps with the algorithm of things that you're interested in watching and also helps us as video creators. And thanks for watching on this short demo of fog light install on the 2023 Honda Pilot Trailsport.